I'm Sean Kunix, the Toy Barn owner.
I'm Mark Snyder, General Manager at the Toy Barn.
Welcome to our dealership.
I'm so thankful to have all these people come out. It's a true testament of the hard work that Toy Barn and all the employees put in to make something special here. This is really exciting to me. This time it's just a lot different. It's more intimate. All the employees are on the same ground with me. I really enjoy what we have here.
Wrapping up here at the 2019 Toy Barn Fall Car Show. It was another great success. 200 cars here today, 3,000 to 4,000 people, amazing event. Look forward to us having another one at the start of the season next year.